Good morning all of you. Audio, video clear. So we are revising all topics or all chapters of GATE General Aptitude 2024. In this session we'll be discussing all reasoning topics like blood relation, syllogisms, etc. I hope audio and video is clear. So reasoning revision session is this for the upcoming GATE exam, that is some of you have exam tomorrow, some of you have day after tomorrow, and some of you have exams next week. For all those students this will be useful, and for 2025 GATE aspirants also this session will be useful. You will get an overall idea of all the chapters. Or please invite more of your friends, let more people be part of this session, live or recorded. For the new students, my name is Christy Varghese. I have trained more than 2 lakh aspirants for CSIR, GATE, UPSC, etc. And I am the author of few books on general aptitude. This is the current bestseller book for CSIR-NET Part A preparation. By the time more people join for the live session, just reminding those people who are not aware, we have launched the new plus course or new complete course for CSIR-NET general aptitude section. Those of you are preparing for CSIR-NET exam, this course will be very useful. This course is for life science, mathematical science, physical science, chemical science, and earth science CSIR-NET aspirants. And in this course, there will be 60 live lectures, and recordings will be valid for 6 months or 1 year according to the plan that you are choosing. And complete theory of all topics will be discussed, and previous year questions of last 12 years will be discussed along with practice questions. Speed matrix also will be taught along with this course. And for clearing your doubts after every live class, you can ask your doubts in the class itself, and there will be separate doubt clearing sessions, and also there will be a dedicated Telegram group and WhatsApp group where you can post your doubts anytime. And there will be 4 free study materials. A test series will be part of this course, and there will be topic wise PDF after every class, and there will be topic wise practice worksheets also, and there will be 100 flashcards. The flashcards I showed you in the previous class, similar to that, 100 flashcards will be given completely free along with this course. Remember, all these are online material, not printed material. All these are online study materials. एंड लाइव कोर्स टाइमिंग होगा 10 to 11:30 AM, और ये सेशन इंग्लिश और हिंदी दोनों लैंग्वेज यूज करेगा ये कोर्स में, और ये सेशन में 4 क्लासेस एवरी वीक, और कोर्स स्टार्ट हो रहा है 12 फरवरी 2024. कंप्लीट शेड्यूल यहाँ दिया है. ये कोर्स CSIR-NET जनरल एप्टीट्यूड कोर्स है. अपकमिंग CSIR-NET एग्जाम के लिए ये कोर्स बेनिफिशियल होगा. मोर डिटेल्स यू कैन फाइंड इन द लिंक गिवन इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन ऑफ दिस वीडियो, एंड दिस इज हाउ यू कैन बी पार्ट ऑफ दिस कोर्स. ये कोर्स लॉन्च किया है मोबाइल एप्लीकेशन क्रिस्टीज क्लासेस पे. उसका भी डिस्क्रिप्शन में इसका भी लिंक दिया है. गो थ्रू इट एंड गेट एक्सेस टू दैट कोर्स. Okay, so let's start today's session. I hope more people have joined. Kokila, thank you for the good words. Thank you for the good words, encouraging words, all of you. And new students, if you want free study materials, our free study materials are available in christyvarghese.in website, in Telegram channel Christy's classes, in WhatsApp group and mobile application Christy's classes. You can find more study materials. ये सब का लिंक ये डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में डिस्क्रिप्शन में अवेलेबल है. नहीं है तो ये QR कोड स्कैन किया तो भी यू कैन एक्सेस दिस स्टडी मटेरियल्स. एंड द अदर प्लेलिस्ट इन आवर चैनल आल्सो यू कैन फॉलो. स्पेशली आप गेट के लिए प्रिपेयर कर रहा तो गेट 2024 जनरल एप्टीट्यूड कंप्लीट कोर्स, ये कोर्स रेफर कर सकता है. For last minute revision also, any particular topic you want to learn very fast, go through that particular you can go to that particular lecture in this course. इसका भी लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिया है. गेट का फ्री स्टडी मटेरियल टेलीग्राम चैनल टेलीग्राम ग्रुप में दिया है, वो उसका भी लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में है. ओके, सो लेट अस स्टार्ट. Last class we discussed about quantitative aptitude topic. Today we will be discussing reasoning topic. वो quantitative aptitude topic वो lecture ये channel में already available है. Go through the live lectures and find that link. And last class I told you about the different methods of doing general aptitude section. वो reasoning chapters में भी applicable है. Okay, so now let us start the first topic. First topic is painted cube or cubes and dices concept. Cubes and dices concepts का question आया है multiple times. What is the idea? When you try to, like, you are painting a cube and then cutting it into smaller cubes. For example, if you are painting a cube and cutting it into 3 by 3 by 3 system. 3 by 3 by 3 system means 3 row, 3 column and 3 depth. That is total 27 cubes are there. वो 27 cubes में कितना cubes का 3 sides painted होगा, कितना cubes का 2 side painted होगा, कितना cubes का 1 side painted होगा, कितना cubes का 0 side painted होगा. This is what normally asked in the painted cube questions. उसके लिए फॉर्मूला यहाँ दिया है. क्विक रिविजन क्लास है. आई एम नॉट टीचिंग ऑल द थियरी अगेन. क्यूब एंड डाइस का पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक देख लीजिए. देयर आई हैव टॉट मोर अबाउट दिस. सो 3 side painted will always be 8 because 3 side painted cubes are on the corners. सारा cubes का corners 8 corners है ना. So 8 cubes ऐसा होगा. Now 2 side painted, that is actually represented by these red color cubes. These are the 2 side painted cubes. उसका general formula 12 into n minus 2 है, where n is the number of rows, number of columns and number of depth. 3 row, 3 column and 3 depth now. So that is n is 3. So 12 into 3 minus 2 in this case. 12 into 3 minus 2 in this case. That is 12 cubes if it is 3 by 3 by 3. If it is 4 by 4 by 4, it will be 12 into 4 minus 2, that is 12 into 2, that is 24. If it is 5 by 5 by 5, 12 into 3, 36 and so on. So that is 2 side painted. Sabko clear hai, I guess. If there is any doubt, please ask. And 1 side painted will be the center ones. That is cubes that are not on the edges. Not on the edges. Uska formula is 6 into n minus 2 the whole square. Like 3 by 3 by 3 case hai to 6 into 3 minus 2, 1 square, that is 6. If it is 4 by 4 by 4, 4 by 4 by 4 है तो क्या होगा situation? 6 into 4 minus 2, 2 the whole square, that is 6 into 4, 24. If it is 5 by 5 by 5, 6 into 5 minus 2, 3 the whole square, that is 6 into 9, 54 and so on. Now 0 side painted means cubes that are not on the surface, not on the surface, they are inside the bigger cube. उसका formula है n minus 2 the whole cube, like 3 by 3 by 3 है तो 3 minus 2 the whole cube, that is 1 cube. 4 by 4 by 4 है तो 4 minus 2 the whole cube, that is 2 cube. 5 by 5 by 5 है तो 5 minus 2 the whole cube, that is 3 cube and so on. I hope all of you are clear. So this is the complete theory of painted cube. Painted cube को extend करके painted cuboid भी बना सकता है. उसका formula separately दिया है, but commonly asked is painted cube instead of painted cuboid. But the idea for painted cuboid also is the same. Go through this image or pause the video and go through this image for more understanding. That is cube and dice related questions. So cube and dice related problems में dice का भी problem आ सकता है, but गेट एग्जाम में ऐसा पूछा नहीं अभी तक. Painted cube का question आया है 2-3 बार. Now blood relation, another very important topic. Last exam में भी 2023 exam में भी आया था blood relation वाला questions. So blood relation questions में बहुत important है how to draw relationship tree. I hope all of you know how to draw relationship tree. Relationship tree draw करने के लिए you should be clear about the assumptions we are making. Female I am representing by a circle. Any symbols are okay, but these are the symbols I normally follow because these are easy to represent. Female है तो circle, male है तो square या rectangle. Spouses है तो spouses का meaning क्या है? Spouses means husband wife, that is married couple. उसके लिए ये equal to symbol या double line use कर सकता है. Siblings means what? Children of the same parents, that is brother sister or brother or sister. They are siblings. उसके लिए एक single horizontal line draw कर सकता है. Parent child relation के लिए एक vertical line. For example, A father of B. A father मतलब male. So B का gender पता नहीं है. B female है तो A father of the female child B. B male है तो A father of the male child B, or B is the son of A. Here B is the daughter of A. So according to these rules, you can draw relationship tree in any question. For example, this is a relationship tree drawn. From this, let us understand what all are the things we can derive. ए का रिलेशन क्या है बी सी डी ई एफ से, क्या रिलेशन है? लेट अस चेक वन बाय वन. ए एंड सी का रिलेशन क्या है? ए फादर ऑफ सी है ना, पेरेंट चाइल्ड रिलेशन है, ए फादर है, मेल पर्सन, स्क्वायर से रिप्रेजेंट किया है. Now what about B? A and B's relation. C and B are siblings. They have a single line joining them. Siblings means A father of C means A father of B also. A is father of B also. So A is father of B, A is father of C. What about D? C is a female person. वो female person का husband है D. Because double line means spouses or married couple. So C is the wife of D or D is the husband of C. A is the father of the wife of D. D is wife C, C is father. That means A is the father-in-law of D. A is the father-in-law of D. What about A and D? What about A and D? A का daughter है C, A's daughter is C, that C's daughter is E. That means A is the grandfather of E. A is the grandfather of E. What about F? E and F are siblings. So E का grandfather है तो F का भी grandfather होगा because C's another child is F. That is how A's relation with all other people can be established. Father of B, father of C, father of D, father-in-law of D, grandfather of E, grandfather of F. I hope all of you are clear. Likewise, B can be related to A, C, D, E, F. B is sibling of C. B is brother-in-law, sister-in-law of D. B is daughter of A. B is aunt of E. B is aunt of F also. So I hope all of you are clear about these relations of B with others. Similarly C, D, E, F का relation यहाँ दिया है, pause करके check कर सकता है. All of you, hope you got a basic idea. Using previous year questions, I have explained this. Check the complete course for GATE General Aptitude in this channel. There I have explained this concepts in detail. So that is the basic idea of blood relation chapter. Blood relation chapter में एक और चीज, one thing you have to be clear about is you should not assume gender of a person. You have to consider a person can be male or female. Assuming gender, like question में नहीं दिया है इसका gender male है, but you just assume male, that can give you a wrong answer. So keep that in mind. Multiple times GATE exam में ऐसा question आया है which confuses you with respect to the gender of the person, or accordingly the answer will be wrong. Okay, so I hope this is clear. Blood relation का basic idea. Next chapter is coding and decoding. Another interesting easy chapter. Coding and decoding, all the major coding I have summarized in this flashcard. In the chapter I have discussed this, but those things I have took time to summarize into a single flashcard, all those concepts together. So I will remind you very fast, listen very carefully. So coding, decoding. If A, B, C, D, E, F is a 6-letter word, how many ways that can be coded? These are the major ways. One is reverse order में code कर सकता है. A, B, C, D, E, F को F, E, D, C, B, A, F, E, D, C, B, A ऐसा लिखा तो that is a coding. Coding, decoding का standard question, I hope all of you know. The question is like this: Delhi is coded as this, Mumbai is coded as this. Then how will be Chennai coded according to that scenario? So Delhi is coded as this means Delhi can be written in reverse order, like A, B, C, D, E, F written as F, E, D, C, B, A. So Chennai also should be written in reverse order. That is what we understand. So reverse order coding is one possible coding. Reverse order coding. Now, another possibility is adding a common number, say 1 or 2 or 3 or -1 or -2 or -3, etc. For example, A, B, C, D, E, F example ko C, D, E, F, G, H, that is A plus 2 is C. Second letter after A is C, na? B plus 2 is D, C plus 2 is E, D plus 2 is F, E plus 2 is G, F plus 2 is H. So C, D, E, F, G, H. So adding a common number, here the common number added is 2. So adding 2 or subtracting 2, all are possible. So that is another type of coding. Successive increase or decrease means A plus 1 is B. B plus 2 is D. Look at this. B, C, D. C plus 3 is F. D plus 4 is H. E plus 5 is J. F plus 6 is L. I hope all of you are understanding. So that is successive increase or successive decrease. Decrease भी हो सकता है. Oscillating pattern भी हो सकता है. Oscillating pattern मतलब देखिए A minus 1 is Z. Yeah, how A minus 1 is Z? There you have to understand the idea of circle of alphabet. A to Z, उसके बाद again A शुरू करता है. That is A के पहले वाला letter Z है. That is how you should understand. That is A minus 1 is Z. But B plus 1 is C. Minus 1 plus 1. Similarly, C minus 1 is B. D plus 1 is E. E minus 1 is D. F plus 1 is G. Minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 1. और plus 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 ऐसा भी हो सकता है. Oscillating pattern. Minus 1 plus 1 only, not only that, plus 2 minus 2 plus 3 minus 3. किसी भी oscillating pattern भी हो सकता है. Alphabets in reverse order. What is alphabets in reverse order? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H up to Z. Forward order में A first letter है, reverse order में Z first letter है. So A को Z से कोड किया था, that is called alphabets in reverse order. B second letter है forward order में, reverse order में Y second letter है. So B के जगह Y. Similarly C के जगह X, D के जगह W, E के जगह V, F के जगह U. So here A, B, C, D, E, F, that is why it is easy to understand. If the word was say Delhi, D fourth letter है forward order में. So reverse order में fourth letter W है. So D will be coded W. That is alphabets in reverse order. I hope all of you understood. That way also coding can be done. Letter to number. Letter to number means here A's position in alphabet is 1 na, first letter. B 2, C 3. Accordingly D, E, F 4, 5, 6 respectively. Similarly Delhi है तो D is the fourth letter, E fifth letter, L J K L 12th letter, H 8th letter, I 9. So that is how it is coded. ये लर्न करने के लिए एक इसी टेक्निक है इजोटी कोड. 5th, 10th, 15th, 20th, 25th letter in English alphabet. To remember that EJOT code will help you. Now group pattern. Group में भी pattern हो सकता है. For example, ABC is a group, DEF is a group. ABC is a group, DEF is a group. And you are subtracting 1, 1, 1. A minus 1, B minus 1, C minus 1. So ZAB मिलेगा. That is the first 3 letters. DEF है तो plus 1 कर रहा तो. So first 3 letter minus 1, next 3 letter plus 1. That is in groups the pattern is applied. EGI मिलेगा. That is this example. That pattern can be anything. Minus 1 plus 1, or it can be like one set is reversed, another set is adding a common number. So what I have discussed before, all these possibilities can be applied in group also. Swapping pattern भी हो सकता है. What is swapping pattern? A B C D E F example है तो ABC group D E F group, ABC right side, D E F left side. ऐसा लिखा तो D E F A B C हो गया swapping pattern. ऐसा भी हो सकता है pattern. Now position of letter use करके भी pattern form कर सकता है. Like A first letter है, B second letter है, C third letter है, D fourth letter है. Like in letter to number case we discuss ना, ये सब ऐड करके एक नंबर फॉर्म किया तो 21 फॉर्म करेगा. दैट इज इफ ABCDEF is coded as 21, then Delhi will be coded as what? ऐसा भी क्वेश्चन पूछ सकता है. Are you getting the point? So anything can be a code. Infinitely many possibilities are there for coding decoding. Number of letters based भी क्वेश्चन पूछ सकता है. यहाँ पे ABCDEF का 6 letters है ना, so ABCDEF is coded as 6. Delhi is coded as 5. Then Mumbai will be coded as what? Delhi का 5 letters है इसलिए 5. Now directly भी हो सकता है, नहीं है तो इसका double 6 into 2 12 लिख सकता है या 5 into 2 10 लिख सकता है. Then Mumbai will be coded as, Mumbai का 6 letters है, so 6 into 2 12 होगा required answer. So coding decoding ऐसा भी हो सकता है. Now rearrangement of letters is possible. For example 1 2 3 4 5 6 को यहाँ पे ये 5th letter first लिखा तो E, सेकंड लेटर सेकंड लिख रहा है, फर्स्ट लेटर, देन सिक्स्थ लेटर, देन थर्ड लेटर, देन फोर्थ लेटर. 1 2 3 4 5 6 को 5 2 1 6 3 4 ऑर्डर में लिखा. सो ऐसा भी रीअरेंजमेंट, किसी भी पॉसिबिलिटी में रीअरेंजमेंट कर सकता है. एंड गेट एग्जाम में दिस टाइप वाज आस्क्ड, rearrangement of words here, that is why I am not taking example A B C D E F for this. Blue color car is 367, green color fan is 694, white color car is 356. Then what is the particular code for color? If that is asked, how to do it? Present and absence based question this is. Present and absent based means color is there in all the three. So the number that is there in all the three is 6. So color is equal to 6. Color was easy. Other things also, if the question was asking what is the word number for blue. याद देखिए कार दोनों में कॉमन है, 367 356 में दोनों में कॉमन वाला नंबर 3 है. सो कार का नंबर 3 है. सो रिमाइनिंग नंबर शुड बी फॉर ब्लू. सो ब्लू इज 7. That is how this kind of question is done. Check out the detailed lecture on coding decoding where we have discussed this. Now random coding of letters is also possible. Random coding of letters like BAT, blue color car, green color fan, ये जैसा ही ऐसा हो सकता है. So these are the major codings. Please go through this flashcard once again and tell me if there is any doubt. Tell me if there is any doubt. All of you go through it. If it is clear, please mention and do hit the like button. That will help me to understand that you are learning this concept well, and also so that this session is more effective. Is it clear, all of you? If so, we will go to the next area. Today 8 p.m. we will have one more session on verbal ability. Swapping pattern में doubt है. Sure, Aman, I will repeat swapping pattern. Swapping pattern का idea ये है. For example, if the word is aptitude. Aptitude का 8 letters है ना. First 4 letters apti है. Next 4 letters tude है. So aptitude को tude apti लिखा तो that is a swapping pattern. Aptitude को tude apti, TUDE that is swapping pattern. ABCDEF को ABCDEF को DEF ABC लिखा तो swapping pattern हो गया. Clear now? So that is swapping pattern. Now ये सबका भी mix हो सकता है. That is what the last example is given. Okay, so yeah, one similar topic is there that I forgot to mention before this. Okay, so coding decoding is done. Hope all of you are clear about coding decoding. Now coding decoding say somewhat similar is letter series questions also. Letter series questions may be the things that we needed for coding decoding is needed here also. Letter sequence means sequence of letters. वहाँ भी ये इजोटी कोड हेल्पफुल है. इजोटी कोड के बारे में हम ऑलरेडी डिस्कस किया है ना. उक्समा रैंडम कोडिंग में डाउट है. रैंडम कोडिंग इज जस्ट असाइनिंग या वर्ड टू लेटर, वर्ड टू नंबर के जगह लेटर टू नंबर भी हो सकता है. लाइक बैट इज 714, कार इज 615, रैट इज 514. ये तीनों में कॉमन वाला लेटर कौन सा है? ए है ना. सो तीनों में कॉमन वाला नंबर कौन सा है? Which is a common number in all the three. The common number in all the three is 1. So A is 1. Likewise, presence and absence we are using here also. So A is 1 we understood. A is 1. A is 1 means, so A is sorted. A is 1. What about the rest? T is common in this and this. Bat and rat दोनों में T common है. दोनों में common वाला number कौन सा है? 4 है ना. So T is 4. T is 4. So B7 होगा. ऐसा सारा numbers you can decode. So that is random coding, just a name I have given. So that is how you can do that. Now letter sequence में EJOT code बहुत ही important है, और ये reverse equivalent which we already discussed in coding decoding. A का equivalent Z है, B का equivalent Y है, C का equivalent X है, D का equivalent W है, and vice versa. E का equivalent V, F का equivalent U. This you can understand by writing like 26 letters है ना alphabet में. So first 26 को आधा किया तो 13. First 13 letters you write forward. Then next 13 letters you write backward below it. Then you will get the equivalent reverse order letter. This based question can be asked in letter series also. This based question can be asked in coding decoding also. And the circle of alphabet ID I already told you, A to Z, then again A to Z. Z के बाद अगला letter A है या A के पहले वाला letter Z है. That you should understand. Now position of letters in English alphabet. Position of letters in English alphabet. A is 1, B is 2, C is 3, up to Z is 26. वो learn करने का shortcut है EJOT code. Like 21st letter चाहिए तो T 20th letter है, so 21st letter TU. U होगा 21st letter, या U का position 21 होगा. अभी reverse order में भी position learn करना अच्छा है. A to Z in reverse order 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to 26. So these are the basic idea needed for letter series or letter sequence chapter. Letter sequence जैसा number sequence भी पूछ सकता है. Number sequence. Number sequence में arithmetic, geometric, prime, power, ये 4 sequence बहुत ही important है. Arithmetic, geometric, prime, power, उसका derived sequence है ये तीनों. Arithmetic sequence means a common number add करना है. Like yesterday's class we discussed about arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression follow करने वाला sequence है arithmetic sequence. Arithmetic progression following sequence. So next number will be 37 because 4 is added. Geometric sequence means common number is multiplied. Common number 3 is multiplied here. So 162 into 3 will be the next term. अरिथमेटिक और ज्योमेट्रिक मीन्स अरिथमेटिक सीक्वेंस में एक कॉमन नंबर ऐड कर रहा है, ज्योमेट्रिक सीक्वेंस में एक कॉमन नंबर मल्टीप्लाई कर रहा है. अरिथमेटिक और ज्योमेट्रिक सीक्वेंस है तो एक कॉमन नंबर ऐड करने के बाद एक कॉमन नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. फॉर एग्जांपल 2 and 12, हाउ इट इज कनेक्टेड. 2 plus 2 4 into 3 is 12. 12 same way, 12 plus 2 into 3 plus 2 into 3 plus 2 into 3 plus 2 into 3, that way it is repeated. 12 plus 2 14 into 3 42, 42 plus 2 44 into 3 132, 132 plus 2 into 3 is the common number added and multiplied in this example. So 402 plus 2 404 into 3 12. Again all these things are detailed discussed in the detailed lecture in this channel, Gauge General Aptitude complete course, that you can check out. अरिथमेटिक और ज्योमेट्रिक में कॉमन नंबर ऐड करके कॉमन नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई किया, तो ज्योमेट्रिक और अरिथमेटिक में कॉमन नंबर से फर्स्ट मल्टीप्लाई करने के बाद कॉमन नंबर से ऐड कर रहा है. दैट इज ज्योमेट्रिक और अरिथमेटिक. Like 3 into 2 plus 1 7, 7 into 2 plus 1 15, 15 into 2 plus 1 31, 31 into 2 62 plus 1 63. So 63 into 2 126 plus 1 127 will be the next term. 127 will be the next term. That means these are variations of these two sequence. Now prime sequence means sequence of prime numbers. What are prime numbers? All of you already know. Power sequence means sequence of consecutive powers. Say 3 square, 4 square, 5 square, 6 square, 7 square. So next number 8 square 64. Reversal two-tier twin are sequences which are done on these 6 sequences itself. Reversal means एक forward sequence को reverse में लिखना है. Like ये एक arithmetic sequence का example है. ये 17 को reverse करके 71, 21 को reverse करके 12, 25 को reverse करके 52, 29 को reverse करके 92, 33 को रिवर्स करके 33, ऐसा लिखा तो रिवर्सल सीक्वेंस हो गया. एक अरिथमेटिक या ज्योमेट्रिक या प्राइम या पावर सीक्वेंस को रिवर्स करके लिखना है, दैट इज रिवर्सल सीक्वेंस. नाउ व्हाट इज टू टायर सीक्वेंस? टू टायर सीक्वेंस में सक्सेसिव टर्म्स का डिफरेंस एक पैटर्न फॉलो करेगा. 3, 6, 9, 12. That is an arithmetic sequence ना. So that is 2-tier arithmetic sequence. So 3, 6, 9, 12 है तो अगला difference 15 होना चाहिए. So 31 plus 15 46. So that is the idea of 2-tier sequence. Twin sequence मतलब odd positions में एक sequence होगा. 16, 25, 36, 49 is a square sequence or power sequence. 7 square के बाद 8 square 64 होना चाहिए. और इवन क्वेश्चन में अनदर सीक्वेंस होगा. ये देखिए 11, 14, 17, 20 एक अरिथमेटिक सीक्वेंस है. सो 20 के बाद 23 होगा नेक्स्ट टू नेक्स्ट टर्म. So these are the major sequences. Again, once again, I am reminding reversal, 2-tier and twin can be done, can be made from arithmetic geometric prime power sequence and from other sequences also, but mainly these 4 sequences can be used for that. Fibonacci sequence आपको पता है, first 2 terms 1 होना चाहिए, बाकी सब terms sum of previous 2 terms होना चाहिए. 1 plus 1 2, 1 plus 2 3, 2 plus 3 5, 3 plus 5 8, 5 plus 8 13, 8 plus 13 21, 13 plus 21 34 and so on. C and L sequence is little time consuming to explain. Check out the detailed lecture where you can find it. So that is about number sequence, letter sequence, number sequence, coding, decoding. I hope all of you are clear. Now statement related problem पूछ सकता है. Statement related problem. Statement related problem के लिए first you should understand what is a statement. Statement is a logical meaningful declarative sentence that is either true or false but not both. True हो सकता है, false हो सकता है, but दोनों एक साथ नहीं हो सकता. दोनों एक साथ नहीं हो सकता. For example, 5 plus 2 is 5 is a statement because वो false है. False है तो false होना चाहिए, true नहीं हो सकता. False and true एक साथ हुआ तो that is not a statement. For example, if I say I am lying now, मैं अभी झूठ बोल रहा हूँ, वो एक स्टेटमेंट नहीं है, क्योंकि मैं अभी झूठ बोल रहा हूँ वो ट्रू है तो वो फॉल्स भी होगा, क्योंकि ट्रू मतलब मेरा ये स्टेटमेंट भी झूठ है, मतलब ये स्टेटमेंट झूठ है मतलब फॉल्स है. सो ट्रू एंड फॉल्स एट द सेम टाइम. दैट इज नॉट अ स्टेटमेंट, दैट इज जस्ट अ सेंटेंस. सो स्टेटमेंट है तो इधर ट्रू या फॉल्स होना चाहिए. अभी स्टेटमेंट का सम characteristics. Statement will have a negation. We can find the negation of a statement. Mumbai is a city. एक statement है तो उसका negation है Mumbai is not a city, or it is false that Mumbai is a city. That is a negation of that statement. Now conditional statement. Conditional statement का meaning क्या है? What is a conditional statement? If then type of statement. If it rained last night, the field will be wet. If it rained last night, the field will be wet. If P then Q type of statement. P is the hypothesis, Q is the conclusion. Hypothesis leads to conclusion type of statements. That is called conditional statement. Conditional statement true assume किया तो उसका converse, inverse, contrapositive क्या क्या हो सकता है based on that questions were asked before. What is converse? P implies Q का converse है Q implies P. P implies Q, उसका converse है Q implies P. Like if it rained last night, the field will be wet. उसका converse है if the field is wet, it rained last night. If the field is wet, it rained last night. लेकिन converse हमेशा true होना ऐसा जरूरी नहीं है. Like in this case, बारिश हुआ तो field wet होगा, उसका मतलब ये नहीं है field wet हुआ तो बारिश की वजह से ही है. No, it can be due to other reasons. Like you can pump water into the field. That way also it can be wet. So that is not true always, or that is not necessarily true. We can say that is a false statement. So converse of a statement may or may not be true always. What is inverse? Inverse means if not then not Q. Like if it rained last night, the field will be wet. If it did not rain last night, the field will not be wet. That way if you say, that is called inverse. But that also we cannot say it is always true. बारिश नहीं हुआ तो field wet नहीं होगा, we cannot say, because there are other ways that the field can be wet. So negation P implies negation Q. That is the form of inverse. P implies Q statement है तो उसका inverse है negation P implies negation Q. Q implies P is the converse. Q implies P is the converse. Now contrapositive क्या है? Contrapositive means if not Q then not P. Not Q then not P. Like converse का inverse है या inverse का converse है contrapositive, you can say that way. If the field is not wet, then it did not rain last night. Field wet नहीं है तो last night field wet नहीं है तो last night raining नहीं हुआ, that is for sure. That is true also. Why? Because rain, if बारिश हुआ तो confirm field wet होगा. So field wet नहीं है, so confirm बारिश नहीं हुआ. That is the idea ना. So if not Q, then not P, that is contrapositive. Not Q implies not P, that is contrapositive. So that is the idea of converse, inverse and contrapositive of a conditional statement. I hope this is also clear. Now another chapter is ranking and ordering chapter. Ranking and ordering chapter में दो type का questions होता है. Position test वाला question भी हो सकता है, sequential ordering वाला question भी हो सकता है. Position test वाला question करने के लिए ये formula left rank plus right rank minus 1 is total. I will explain that with this image. If there are 7 people, the left rank of this person is 6. From the left he is 6. What is his right rank? Here you can count it and say his right rank is 2. But if there are many people, say 20 people, it is difficult. Or 55 people, how you will say? If a person standing on the 6th from the left, what is his rank from the right? There are two ways of saying it. One way of saying it is, to his left there are 5 people, to his left there are 5 people, so to his right he have 1 person. So he is second from the right, second from the right end. Otherwise formula, left rank 6 है तो total 7 people है, right rank unknown है. So 6 plus x minus 1 is 7. So x is equal to 6 minus 1 5, 7 minus 5 2. So right rank is 2. I know that this example looks so trivial because 7 people है तो you can imagine it easily. You can manually count it from the right also. But for higher numbers, like if there are 55 people in a queue, a person standing on 31st from the left, what is his right rank? 31 plus x minus 1 is equal to 55. ऐसा यूज करके easily find कर सकता है. नहीं तो एक person का left rank 23 है, person का left rank 23 है, right rank 20 है. So total how many people are there? 23 people plus 20 people minus 1 will be the total number of people. That is what this formula is saying. 23 plus 20 minus 1, that is 42 people will be there. So that is one type of, again, left rank, right rank, same way top rank, bottom rank भी हो सकता है. Left and right can be replaced by top and bottom also. Like if you are arranging people vertically or horizontally, both cases you can use this formula. That is what I am saying. The second type is sequential ordering type. That type questions were asked more in GATE exam. Sequential ordering type, only thing you should know is how to draw the diagram. That all of you already know. Sequential ordering type means question will say A is taller than B, but D is shorter than A. C is taller than B. Then who is the shortest or who is the second shortest? There you should know how to draw the diagram. A is taller than B means like this. C is shorter than B means like this. D is taller than A means like this. So D is the tallest, A is the second. So likewise you have to visually represent it. Visual method. As I told, be flexible with the 15 methods I taught you. Those of you missed that lecture, shortcut method ka tips and tricks ka lecture ka link you can find in the description of this video. Now next chapter is syllogism. Syllogism repeatedly आया है syllogism chapter से question. Syllogism chapter में ये 4 diagrams clear होना चाहिए. How to represent all x or y, like all humans are mammals. ये human set है तो human set mammal set का subset होगा. That is how you represent all x or y. Now no x or y if no humans are donkeys. So humans and donkeys have no intersection. This will be humans, this will be donkeys. Now if you want to represent some humans are donkeys, yeah, in syllogism please understand that some things that will be totally absurd in real life, that way also sentences can be written. Some humans are donkeys, we know that no humans are donkeys, but you have to assume some humans are donkeys. Accordingly you have to conclude. So some x or y you represent like this. There should be an intersection between x and y. Some x or not y means same diagram itself, but some x or not y means we are representing this area. These x are not y because y is here. These x are outside of y. I hope all of you understood this. These 4 diagrams, if you are clear, you can do syllogism questions very easily. Like questions will be like all cups are tables, some chairs are tables, some no table are cups. Then what you can conclude? That is how syllogism questions are normally asked. Check out my logical syllogism chapter. There I have explained more about it. That question we have discussed in the detailed lecture, Kokila. Please check that, because if I take that question now, that will take a lot of time. We have discussed that. The answer should be, I think answer should be Mohan Ravi, Balu, I guess. Balu should be the answer. That is what I remember. Check out that lecture in the GATE complete course. So these are the major areas of reasoning. I hope you got an overall idea about reasoning. Quantitative aptitude already we discussed yesterday. Description of this video you can find the link. If you felt this session is useful, do hit the like button. And CSIR-NET aspirants, once again reminding, we are starting from next week the complete course for CSIR-NET General Aptitude. Any doubts you have, please ask. Any doubts, please ask. Today 8 p.m. Comprehension class, comprehension and other verbal ability will be covered, so that those people who have exam tomorrow also, let them be benefited. That is why I am taking 2 sessions today. And if you feel that this session and last session was useful, do share it to maximum people before the exam itself, so that they can have a quick revision. Post it in Telegram groups, WhatsApp groups, etc. also. If there is any doubt, please ask. If not, do let me know what you felt about the class in the comment section also. So I think let's conclude this session here. Major reasoning areas we have covered. If anything more clarity needed, go through the complete course playlist. GATE ka dedicated playlist hai, this playlist, GATE 2024 General Aptitude. That link is available in the description. And if you want study material of this course, that is available in the GATE Telegram group. There is 2 Telegram group, the main Telegram group and also the GATE Telegram group. The link of that also I have added in the description of this video. And more study materials in the future we will be posting in the mobile app Christy's classes. So that there is no confusion in where to find. So make sure you download this mobile application. You will get more study materials. Data interpretation, actually in a single lecture explaining that, I mean in 5 to 10 minutes explaining that is difficult. That is why I didn't do that in this sessions rather. That we have discussed already in the GATE complete course. Check out that. Data interpretation in detail we have discussed. Maya, with the replacement, without replacement, that is happening. First of all, in the question it will be, if it is with the replacement, in question it will be clearly mentioned with the replacement. If nothing is mentioned, normally it is without replacement itself. For example, in a box there are 10 red balls and 10 blue balls. 10 red balls and 10 blue balls. You need to take 2 balls. What is the probability that both of them are red? You need to take 2 balls means 2 ways you can take it. You can take the ball and return it, or you can take the ball and keep it. If you take the ball and return it, that is with the replacement case. If you take the ball and don't return it, that is without replacement case. That is a basic difference. Explanation with example I have given in the probability lecture in this course. Along with this course, those of you want to can follow this new Outlook series. That is also useful for GATE, because in 30 minutes each topic is covered. So for last minute revision, that playlist also you can check out. And all of you check the description of this video. You can find many resources related to this course and related to GATE and other exams. So I think let's conclude today's session, or this session here. We will meet again for today 8 p.m. verbal aptitude, grammar, vocabulary, comprehension. I will give you a summary of that in today 8 p.m. class. Covering all that in one class is impossible. Verbal ability, I have already given 10 lectures in this GATE complete course. Go through that, you will get better understanding. So that's it. Thank you all of you. Let's conclude here. See you all on the next class. do hit the like button if this session was useful. Do comment on this and do share this video to maximum people. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye. All the best for those people who are writing exam tomorrow, day after tomorrow, or next week. After the exam, if you people send me the questions you remember, I will try to take a paper analysis very soon. So subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my future updates. So thank you. Take care. Bye bye.